gravitation. And gravitation is a pulling force. So if you have an over-dense region of the universe, it'll drag in material from the surroundings and enhance that density contrast. So the few parts per million back at the beginning grew and grew and grew until they turned into something like this, a universe with galaxies and clusters of galaxies, and within the galaxies stars and planets, and on this one, intelligent beings. So this growth of the large-scale structure that led to the universe we now see and permits the existence of life-bearing planets flows from the quantum activity in that first split second. I keep saying split second. I'm actually talking about something just a little bit longer than a trillionth of a second. So that's the degree of confidence that we
trillionth, eh?
It's possible to actually model the universe at that ridiculously early time.
Yeah,
so that does look like a case of cosmic perfection. I'm describing to you a universe that was born in almost complete uniformity, beautiful if you like, but with just the right degree of variation to lead to interesting things like people.